Hey, what's up guys? What's up everyone?
My name is Martin and this is my daddy Rega.
Hey, what's up guys? And we're back again for another episode of our unboxing and a quick review. Of course, today we're going to unbox. So yeah, of course still new. Yeah, so today we're going to unbox this new
SHURI.
Yeah, new release of Hottoys, SHURI.
From
Right
Panther.
there. Yeah, of course from the movie Black Panther, right? And it's a
MMS 501.
MMS 501
Yes.
by Hottoys
1/6 scale
collectible figure. Yeah, we always forgot to say that figure. Because it's actually, it's already like figure, so we always forgot it. But then yeah, it's of course 1/6 scale collectible figure. Yeah, Black Panther. The back right here, you can see those warnings.
And where you can buy these.
Yeah, black color box with some designs,
Okay,
print, tribal, yeah.
Princess SHURI.
So and then yeah, as you open the box, there you go. You can see right there the cast and crew. A very simple one. Yeah, it's a very quick one, guys. Let's see. So actually, this one it's been with us. Like this figure, we picked up this one like a month ago, I think. Because again, I didn't have that much time. A lot of figures, and then yeah, sometimes we forgot to open it and check it actually. So yeah, this is what's this?
The cannon.
Her cannon weapon to her arm. Right
Yeah.
there.
Oh, you can see her hand inside.
Oh, also I like it. Yeah, it's a it's just the face
It's a Black Panther.
It's a panther or panther look, right? Yeah, very nice, guys.
The Panther.
And then she has this normal arm bracelet
Yeah.
right here. And then, how many pairs of hands? 2 pairs.
2 pairs and 1 extra.
2 pairs and 1 extra. Yes, 1 extra, yes.
And then she has her little
Bracelets,
bracelet.
yes. And then
her
spear. Her whip.
Wakanda.
And then her spear. Wakanda spear. And then some batteries. Oh yeah.
Batteries.
Yeah,
for the
batteries
lights.
for the lights.
Here.
Yeah, so I have to check that first. And then some joints right here. So yeah, I forgot. So see,
Which one? The King Sister suit.
very nice.
Wakanda
Wow, love
Wakanda
that
forever.
hair. We have the same hair. I'm gonna check this one first. Let me check if this is working. Wow, very nice, guys. It's working. It's working. Of course, the base right here. The base right here, guys.
Can I see?
Wow, shiny figure. Okay, so let's do a quick review. So that's yeah. So we already showed you what's inside the box, right?
Yes.
Figure, very nice head sculpt. On her neck, it's nice. I mean, but then well, maybe it's really like that. There's like it's very obvious that gap on her neck. There's a gap on her neck. I mean, like I can't really push it down, so it will like somehow cover that space. But then yeah, only that. But then the head sculpt's very nice, guys. I mean the hair too, color, yes, and the suit's very nice too. Like plastic stretch material, and bit of like leather plastic, yeah, the plastic leather, and
And a bit of rubber.
uh,
Like, it's like rubber.
you mean the hands, the arms,
Yeah,
Martin?
the arms,
Yeah. And then yeah, the suit's very nice, guys. I mean, I like her suit. The details very nice too, and yeah, it's very nice. Of course, she's very thin. Yeah,
Yeah.
slim, not thin, but very slim.
Yeah.
Maybe same as Thanos. Like, you know, there are, you know, gap right here on her shoulder instead of like really like flat.
Yeah,
Or
and the shoulders are not aligned.
uh-huh.
The other one's like the thinner and lower.
No, you can just move like that. Her shoulder is not somehow. Yeah, it's weird. I don't know if it's really like that in the movie, but then on her left arm is more thicker than her right arm. This one's very slim. This one's like more like bulky. Yeah, this one's like very thin.
I think just her like normal arm and just like
Maybe. Yeah, we will ask that. I will ask if they can exchange this
you
one.
have the warranty.
Yeah. And then yeah, the details very nice, guys. I like the details. It's just that this one, it's not good. I mean, like, it's deformed. This one's thicker, and this one is thinner. I mean, yeah. And then the articulation is nice. I mean, like, it's just thin. It's easy to move. You can see the joints, the normal joint for figure. Right, see, right there. The elbow. Oh no, not really. Yeah, you cannot really bend that elbow that much. I mean, like, only up to, how do you say that? 90. Yeah, maybe right 90. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. See. I cannot. The other side. Oh, other side can. Other side. Yeah. But
Because this one's thinner, so it
yeah, thinner. That's why. Yeah, it's thinner. That's why you can really bend it easily, right? No, actually the same, but it's just like easier on her right.
a thin one.
This one's really weird, guys. That shoulder, the pads, I can actually like, you know, improve more. But somehow overall, I would say it's very nice. Fabric material that they use, cloth, right? And then articulation for the legs. Yeah, also double jointed. Yeah, you can see right there. Right here, right? She's stretching like this.
Yeah, her arm.
Yes, right? So the legs is fine. The suit is fine too. Yeah, very nice details. Yeah, my only problem is that shoulder. But overall, it's very nice figure too. You know, like together with the Black Panther figure. How about you, Martin? What can you say about this figure?
I really like the designs on the back of her head. It's like tribal. Get the cut. And then her hair, you can see there's a bit of purple on it.
Purple.
Right.
Oh yeah, that's her like
Highlight.
braids, like part of her braids, you know.
Yeah, and then the
Because she has a long
fabric's
hair.
really nice here. It's like really like African, and then like the tribal like designs on it. Really like mixed with tradition and like advanced, right? That
Yes.
really represents Wakanda.
Yeah, very nice print. Yeah, of course the accessories. Yeah, the light is working with the batteries, of course. And then yeah, her spear right here. So you can actually wear this one. Oh yeah, I didn't see that. Sorry, my bad. So there,
hand's inside.
yeah, there's a hand already inside this. But I'm not sure if it's easy to put this. Yeah, usually it's not easy to put this
On her hand.
on her hand because it's, you know, a bit far. I mean, like you have to really like look, and then maybe for some easy, maybe it's easy, but then you know, in overall you can see, even if you know you can really shoot that joint per hand, still hard to push it somehow. Oh, yeah, I can hear that click. Yeah, if you hear that click, then yeah, you're okay. Yes, yeah, hear that click. Yeah, so make sure you hear that click, and then meaning it's already attached to that hand cannon or arm cannon. Right here. Yes, there you go, guys. That's it, and then with a spear. Very nice. That's very nice. So at least we can display her already to our Infinity War display cabinet. I don't think Hot Toys will do another Shuri on that Infinity War movie because maybe,
Not really the main character.
yeah, maybe her part in Infinity War is not that long, so maybe they will not do it unless they really, like, you know, want to earn more. Then yeah, maybe they might gonna do it, or they might gonna add or extra Shuri for that Infinity War movie. Yeah. So yeah, that's it, right?
Yes.
Yeah, very nice figure, guys. Yeah. So what are you gonna say to them, Martin?
If you want to watch our next video, please subscribe down below and bye.
Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Yeah,
And
peace
leave a
out.
like.
Yeah, yeah, of course, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, bye, guys. Peace out. Nice, very nice figure.